Welcome to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Barun, and in today's video, we will look into a scenario that you might come across while scheduling. That is, no times are currently available. We will look into why this happens and what are the common causes and how to fix them. So, as the name suggests, currently the booking calendar is unable to offer or retrieve any available times from your calendar. So the first possible cause could be there's a busy block on the calendar. Let's take a look into the calendar. And we can see that the calendar is wide open and there are no blocks that could be preventing my availability from being offered. So once we clear the possibility of an error with the calendar, let's move ahead to the other possible cause, that is booking settings. Once we go and head over to the booking calendar, we will need to go to the booking settings section. First of all, confirm your availability is set up correctly. Then take a look into the time frame preferences. Into the future settings could be a cause of conflict. So are the lead times. Now, the other possible conflict could be a very narrow window of into the future settings and conflicting settings with the buffer time whenever there is an event on your calendar, which could be causing this issue as well. Next, once we go ahead and confirm that none of our booking settings or time slot rules are conflicting with our availability, the other possible cause could be a calendar integration error. A calendar integration error can definitely go ahead and give you the no times are currently available error. You would notice on your OnceHub account in the notification center that whenever there is a integration error, there is a notification related to that. And that is the scenario in our account here today. So let's go ahead and take a look into that. You can restore the calendar connection settings from here itself, from the notification, or you can access the user integration settings from the profile. So we do see there is a Google Workspace connection error. Now, to resolve this, we will need to go ahead and connect our calendar. Once we click on reconnect, we will be redirected to the Google confirmation page where we need to go ahead and confirm the calendar connection. Once we go ahead and continue, our calendar connection would be restored on the OnceHub account. And yep, once the calendar connection is restored, our booking page should also start working. So yeah, the Google Calendar is all connected. Let's head over and check the booking link now. So let's refresh the page. And there you go. Our availability is again offered as intended to. So whenever you come across a no times available screen, do check your calendar, do check the time slot settings, that is the booking settings, and check if there is a calendar connection error. And in case the issue continues, feel free to reach out to us at OnceHub support, or you can reach out to us via live support or mail us at support@oncehub.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.